Okay. We got the well, I mean, it's new to me. Moto G Stylus. It is the 2025 version. It says it has a 150 megapixel or megapixel camera. Super HD display, blah blah blah. 128 gigabytes of storage. I don't know. I mean, okay, alright. That's okay. It only fell maybe 6 inches. All right, what do we got? We got USB-C to USB-C charger cable. That's cool. The little SD card popper thingy. And all paper. All right, so this is kind of cool. They wrapped it. I like that. I like that. That's nice. All right. So. Oh, I undid that so it'll slide right out. Oh, nice, nice. Oh, look at that bad boy. 68 watt turbocharging capability. A 5G processor. Stereo speakers, Dolby Atmos. Okay, cool. Boy, that does not give much information on the back. Great box. Oh, it does. It does have a Q charger. My first phone with a Q charger, or whatever it's called. What's it called? I don't know. It says wireless charging area, so I mean, I can set it down on something. I'm kind of excited about that. Why would you wrap this in plastic? Back here, we have the 50 megapixel camera. That's one of those four. I don't know which one. And then the 13 megapixel ultra wide. So I mean, oh, okay, ultra wide. I don't know why people hold their phones like this. This way. You got the macro camera, and for the front camera, you have the 16 megapixel video recording resolution. 4K ultra high def. Special features on the camera: slow motion, scan, portrait, face retouch. I could use that. Google Lens. Okay, yeah, if you really want to use that. Night vision. Okay. Group selfie. Wouldn't that be a groupie? Dual capture. I don't know what. I'm not sure if I know what that is. Photo booth? What? Time lapse? I know what that is. Tilt shift? Selfie mirror? Okay. Filter ultra res? Okay. Alright. That's kind of cool. Anyway. Your stylus is right here. Just as in the previous versions. Nice. Pretty. Easy. Yay. Stylus. Of course, you push it right back up in there. We should go ahead and maybe turn it on. We're gonna have to do a lot of setup though, right? It does have the emergency SOS feature. Love those things. Alright, you got your fingerprint unlock. Oops, wrong phone. Your fingerprint unlock, and let's turn her on. You so cute. You so cute. Oh, look, she's turned on already. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Alright. Hello, Moto. Horizon. Okay, oh, look at that. That's nice, crisp, clear. Oh, look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. Oh, yeah, I like it. I like it. She looks good. She looks fantastic. Set up using another device. Oh, no. Scan the QR code. It's going to the one that the camera's running on. Connecting the Wi-Fi, no problem at all. No problem. I mean, it's like really fast. I'm really surprised at how fast that was. I remembered my password. So the fingerprint sensor is right there. Okay. All right. We'll hit restore. It'll restore everything from this to this. So that's fine. Getting phone ready. So home screen. Yay. Now I can set this up, right? Now I can set it up. Cool. So I'm gonna have to go to Straight Talk's website and activate the phone. But right now it's downloading all my apps. Flashlight. Oh. Oh, there it is. Okay. Whew. Time. Screen record. Oh, it's got a screen recorder right on it. Nice. Cast. Okay, it's got cast right on it. Does my other one have cast? I don't think it did. I don't think it did. Okay, so photo. I mean, that's nice. It's very nice. Has a really good look to it. Here, let's turn this around. It's not going to help much because we're still limited by that camera. But you know, that's how it looks on the screen. That's cool. Oh, now I'm looking at myself. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, all right. Let's see. Pandora tilt shift. I don't want night vision photo booth dual capture video. What the hell is dual capture video? Oh, okay. So dual capture will capture both sides. So that's cool. That's cool. Wait a minute. Hold on. Oh, because it's capturing the camera. Okay, that's why. That's why. So that's a studio. It's kind of messy. I get that. I'm sorry, but that's cool. All right. I like that. Oh, nice. Put them side by side. That's nice. I like that. Okay, cool. Dual capture seems awesome. Let me tell what it's on. What's this button do? Wait. Dude. I like you. I like you a lot. And it's gonna save that when I close it? Oh, hell yeah. And I can give myself a slimmer face. Oh, that is cool. That is cool. I can make myself look normal. Normal. Dude, you're saving me time, dude. You're saving me time. Holy heck. All right, so original, we're gonna put it right at original because holy heck. That's cool. That's cool as can be. Oh, I love it. So that's why I got the new phone, was to get a better camera. Bye.